Hey everyone. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through adding captions to pictures right in Google Docs. It's true, Docs doesn't have a dedicated caption button built in, but don't sweat it. I've got a few simple workarounds that do the trick. 3 different ways to add captions to an image. Let's start. So the easiest thing is probably what you might try first. Pop your image into the document. Click on the image so those options show up below it and choose in line. Then, literally just click your cursor right below the image and type your caption text. You can shrink the text size or make it italic if you want that classic caption look. This is super quick, but just be aware, if you decide to move that image later, the caption text might not follow it. They can get separated. If you want something more reliable where the caption sticks with the image, try using the drawing tool. First, clear the old captions and image. Place the cursor where you want an image. Head up to the Insert menu, choose Drawing, and then click New. Inside that drawing box, click the image icon to add your picture. Adjust the size if you have to. Once your picture is there, click the text box button, which looks like a T in a box, and drag a box underneath your image to type your caption. You can adjust the font size or style right there too. Another cool thing about this method, you can also write text on the image. All you have to do is make a text box on the image. When you're done, hit Save and Close. Now you've got your picture and caption bundled together as one object in your doc. You can drag or resize the image, and the caption stays put with the image. You can also edit it again if you need. Another great option is using a table. Let's delete this one again. Go to Insert, then Table, and pick the smallest one, 1 column and 2 rows. Click inside the top cell and insert your image there. Then click in the bottom cell and type your caption. Again, feel free to make that text smaller or italic. To make the table itself invisible, right-click anywhere on the table, scroll down a little, and select Table Options. Go to Color, set the border width to 0. That way, the image and caption look neatly together without any lines showing. So those are 3 pretty straightforward ways to get captions on your image. The first way is fast for simple need. But if you know you might move the image around later, the drawing tool or the table trick are your best bets for keeping everything attached. Hope that was helpful for making your docs look a bit more professional. If anything was unclear or you have another question, drop it in the comments below. Catch you in the next video.